Good afternoon, my fellow South Africans and everybody else watching. My name is Dian and this is episode 2 of Side Hustle South Africa. So in this episode, we'll be looking at Instagram page flipping. So if you've already heard of this, please don't click off this video because I'm 99.9% sure I'll be teaching you something new. But for the people who don't know what Instagram page flipping is, this video is for you. So what is Instagram page flipping? It's the same as any other asset flipping basically. You just buy an asset for a low price, you remodel it, and you sell it for profit. So, how do you start this business? Well, I know two methods and I'm going to show you. The first method is you can go onto websites that allows you to buy Instagram pages with a little bit of followers already, maybe like 10,000, 20,000, maybe even 100,000. But the problem is those pages are at market value, which means the profit won't be as much, but the benefit of those are they are pretty secure. I'll be linking down some of those websites down below if you are interested, but don't click out of this video yet because the other method will be making you a lot more profit and I'm sure you'll want to hear it. So the other method is you go and download Telegram, the app. I'm sure some of you have already heard of it. For those of you who haven't, it's basically a messenger app like WhatsApp, but there's this feature where you can go and look for groups and you'll be looking for Instagram page flipping groups. When you're on there, just make sure you can trust the people on there, and when you do, you can start. You can buy Instagram pages there and sell them, but I recommend using your bank account. Like if you have FNB or ABSA, just use your bank account. Normally people would want to use PayPal, but I don't recommend it. Stay away from those people if you can, but if you trust PayPal enough or you trust the person enough, you can go for PayPal, no problem. Here is a couple of niches I recommend. I recommend the beauty community or the beauty niche. There you can post about lipstick, blush, eyeliner, anything you want that's beauty related. It's a pretty simple niche if you know what you're talking about or you know what you're posting. Pretty great one to grow, pretty easy because there's a lot of people interested in that community. So another one is the luxury lifestyle community or niche. There you can post about luxurious cars, mansions, anything like that. And then you also get the meme community. I mean, who doesn't love memes? And then there's also the travel community. And that's, in my opinion, one of the easiest pages to grow. Reason being, one of the most popular tourist attractions basically is the Maldives. If you can get some great content about the Maldives, I'm sure you'll get a lot of followers. And I know it's not about the followers, but about the content you put out. But in this situation, you kind of want your page to grow so that you can make a bigger profit. So you might be wondering, why would anybody want to buy an Instagram page? Well, there's a simple answer. People who buy Instagram pages or grow them to a certain following normally put ads on their page. Those ads produce a lot of income. But that's a story for another video. You might be wondering, how do I grow an Instagram page? Here on YouTube, there's a lot of videos explaining that. Just a quick tip I can give you: if you're consistent, your page will grow. Okay, that's it for this video. But before you click off, I have a question. If you've made it this far, please comment down below how many followers do you currently have on Instagram and what is your goal for the end of the year 2021. So with that said, or that asked, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you liked it, please drop a like. It really helps me grow the channel so that more people can see these videos. And if you know of somebody who might need this information or needs an extra income, please make sure you share it with them. I'd greatly appreciate it if you could do that for me. And yeah, if you like this series so far, please make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next Side Hustle South Africa. It's been Dian and I'm gonna say goodbye.